Hello and welcome to yet another episode of What's on My Table, and today we have a very interesting product. It is any guesses? It's the DJI Mic Mini. So let's go ahead and open this out. I just picked this up recently from a local store and I needed this for a recording session. So I thought it was one of the cheapest, most economical, rather, for choice of words, most economical wireless mics available in the market, apart from the other close contender, which is the Hollyland Lark M2 or the M2S. So I thought it'd be good to have two so I could compare them over a period of time, and this was marginally better in terms of the battery backup and several other features. So let us go ahead and unbox this and see how it goes. Okay, let's get started. So let's go ahead and have a look at it. So it clearly says DJI Mic Mini and it says it's a wireless microphone. It's got the DJI branding across the box, DJI.com, and below all the codes and the serial number. So if you come here back to this area, so it says it's made for iPhone, which means it's probably made for iPhone also, but I double checked to ensure that there is a Type-C adapter included with it, so it works with the Android device as well. So I'm sure it should work with Android too. So let's hope everything is good with this particular product. So here you go. Although it clearly mentions that this is specifically made for iPhone, I just ensured I checked every possible place on the internet to ensure that there is no other specific version made only for Android. So this is the only version that's available. So that's about it. So what comes in the box? So it's got a receiver, it's got a transmitter, it's got the charging case, it's got a carrying pouch which comes with it, and of course a clip magnet and a couple of other things like a mobile phone adapter, the C type, the windscreen, camera audio cable, stereo to stereo, and USB-C charging cable, USB-C type, and the documentation. So we're going to open it and see what's in it for us. Coming to this, it's just a 10-gram receiver and two of those, high quality audio with stable transmission, 48-hour operation with case, which means around 4 into 12 hours, which is pretty great, which means 4 days of uninterrupted recording if you're shooting even 12 hours a day. But we'll know the truth once we start using it. DJI Osmo audio, which means it also connects to DJI Osmo, probably through Bluetooth, and 2-level active noise cancellation, automatic limiting to prevent audio clipping. So I think it's got a limiter so that there won't be any audio clipping, just like the Zoom H6 and the H8, which has got a second track which gets recorded. But that's it. Let's go ahead. What are we waiting for? Let's go ahead and open it with this. Okay, there you go. It's opened. Let's go ahead and see what is in it. So we've got this. Let's flip those two things out and go ahead and lay it out flat on the table. That's it. And we've got some documentation and some nice stickers here, which we'll have a look at. Looks like some sort of stickers, and it's like a gaming card. Now bring the memory card. It just gives you a reminder. It's like a sticker. So you pack your bag well. So that apart, let's go to the main deal and let's see what's in it. I'm going to go ahead, open this. There you go. And it's a nice little pouch which comes with a mic. It's a very premium looking grey color pouch. Thankful to these gloves, which are kind of not making the video look too jarring because they kind of go with the vibe of the video. Coming to this, let's see what this is. This looks like the windscreen, a couple of windscreens. Then you have, I think, the aux cable, but it looks like there are two cables in here. Could be the aux cable and the charging cable. And of course the main unit, and something that we all love, silica gel. That's going to be used with this. So this is the main unit. Apart from that, do we have anything else? A lovely little case, so I'm sure you guys will like it too. So let's go ahead and open all these things out and see what's inside. So I'm gonna tear this. Okay, looks neat and clean when packed. And let's have a look at this. Looks very nice. Press to unlock. I think the sticker needs to come off. And on the back side looks very neat. It's got the serial number, some rubber grip for you to ensure it doesn't slip when it's placed on a smooth table like this. And remove this sticker off and unlock it. As you can see, looks quite nice. We remove that sticker too. Just press to open. Looks quite nice, honestly. Oh, things are already charged and all set to go. They're all blinking in sync, and that looks very nice. I've never seen any mic which blinks in sync. Looks like this has been planned. I'm sure it's a part of the unboxing experience by DJI. DJI has been very special. Even when I bought my Osmo and all DJI products, I've noticed that I've been more happier than what I was before considering the purchase. So once the product came in, it looked much better. It looked much better than it really was, and also performed much better. So we've got this mentioned here as to how you need to switch it on and switch it off. It says 2 seconds, hold to on and off, noise reduction, press it once, I think, the power button, and the pairing mode. How do you pair it? I think you need to press the receivers for 2 seconds and it would pair. There's a clear picture of what it all looks like, and yeah, some generic instructions and the details of the product written below here. See this. Apart from that, let's go ahead, open these and see what's in it. There you go. There's one dead cat, one more dead cat for the second mic, one more dead cat, and what is this? There's also a dead cat. So basically 4 options, 2 options for each mic. You can have a light colored one if the person wearing the shirt is wearing a lighter colored shirt or attire, and one black for outdoors. Coming to these cables, let's have a look at these cables. As promised, I think there is one nice aux cable, short and nice, just exactly what we need, and there is a USB-C type charging cable to charge the cases. That's it, we've got this, and let's go ahead and remove this thing. We've got to be a little careful with this because the other brand that I have, which is the Hollyland, doesn't have this system. This looks like the backside of the Hollyland. Let me just show you because it's right here. You can see this. It's much smaller, but this almost looks like the backside. That's the reason why I thought this is the hinge and not the front side. So this is the front side of both. You can have a size comparison just in case you wanna. And yeah, keep that aside for now because this video is purely dedicated to DJI. So let's go ahead, open this thing out and see how it looks. It's this small. Let's keep this down. Let's pull this main unit. Looks quite nice. Looks like a very little camcorder made by Sony with a lens in front, but it is just a receiver. That's the receiver and transmitter number 2. One reason why I purchased this was that they said everything fits in the box. So that's the reason why I picked this up. Looks like it needs a charge, but we can do that soon once you're done with the video. Now here is your adapter. Should probably convert this to oh okay, this looks different. This looks like some sort of a different adapter. I'm not sure what this is for, but it shows that it's a C-type. Okay, maybe that's how it goes. You open this guy out. Okay, this makes complete sense now. And you have this, which kind of couples with this, like this. Does it? Something really small here. I'm not sure what that is. Okay, just another box. The dummy. So we'll just leave it there. And the charging points. We'll figure this out soon, or something to that effect. It's pretty hard to push it in. But yeah, that's it. So I hope you had a good experience looking at the unboxing of this particular product. So this is all we got with it. 2 receivers, and it's got these lovely little magnets behind, which are equally small, and you also have a clip which kind of clips on like this. So this is fixed, unlike the Lark M2S, which doesn't have fixed clips, and you have to remove them just with a magnet. So you get like the clip which is magnetic, and you have this which is magnetic. So that's it for now, guys. This is the final product. You've got the 2 DJI transmitters, and so much for the ASMR, and this is the receiver. So that's how all of these stack up together. Pretty small in the hand and quite nice. In addition to which, you have these cables and these windscreens which come with it. So thanks guys, and I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. Please go ahead and like this video if you think it helped you in any way, and also hit the subscribe button to see more interesting content like this. Thank you guys, and signing off. DJI.